Erectile dysfunction. It's a topic that often makes men uncomfortable, but it's far more common than most realize. If you've been struggling with this, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are natural remedies that could help you reclaim your confidence and improve your performance, all without harmful medications? Stick with me, because we're diving deep into how to naturally cure erectile dysfunction and get back to living your best life. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end for a bonus tip that could make all the difference. Now, erectile dysfunction, or ED, affects millions of men around the world. Whether it's caused by stress, lifestyle, or underlying health issues, the good news is that it's not something you have to live with. Today, we're revealing the natural solutions that can help you overcome ED, improve your overall health, and boost your energy. Ready to find out how? Let's get into it. First and foremost, let's talk about your diet. It plays a critical role in your sexual health. Many people don't realize that the foods they eat every day can directly impact blood flow, hormone production, and energy levels, all of which are essential for healthy sexual function. One of the most important things you can do to naturally combat ED is to focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are full of the nutrients your body needs to support proper circulation and hormone balance. Fruits like watermelon, pomegranates, and berries are packed with antioxidants that promote better blood flow. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates, which help to relax blood vessels and improve circulation, crucial for getting and maintaining an erection. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can boost testosterone production, an essential hormone for sexual health. And here's something interesting. Junk food and processed foods, especially those high in sugar, can actually reduce your testosterone levels and impair blood flow, making ED worse. So, if you've been relying on fast food, it might be time for a change. Next up, exercise. It's no secret that physical activity is great for your health, but did you know that regular exercise can significantly improve symptoms of ED? Here's why. Exercise helps improve blood flow by strengthening your heart and blood vessels, and it also boosts your energy and mood. More importantly, it increases the release of nitric oxide, the same chemical that's released when you take ED medications like Viagra. Nitric oxide helps relax the blood vessels in your penis, making it easier to get and maintain an erection. Cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, and cycling improve circulation. Strength training can boost testosterone levels, which play a key role in libido and sexual function. Even simple pelvic floor exercises like Kegels can help strengthen the muscles involved in sexual performance. Imagine boosting your sexual health while improving your overall fitness. Now that's a win-win. Let's talk about something many people overlook: stress and mental health. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction, especially in younger men, is stress. Whether it's work-related pressure, relationship issues, or financial worries, stress can cause your body to produce cortisol, a hormone that reduces sexual desire and interferes with your body's ability to get an erection. But it's not just stress. Anxiety and depression can also impact your performance in the bedroom. So, how do you combat this? Meditation and mindfulness practices can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Regular exercise, as we mentioned earlier, is also a great way to naturally lower stress levels. Engaging in hobbies and activities that help you relax can also boost your mood and sexual health. Remember, your mind and body are connected. Taking care of your mental health can have a huge impact on your physical health, including your sexual function. Now let's get into some natural herbs and supplements that have been used for centuries to improve male sexual health. If you prefer natural alternatives to prescription medications, these are worth exploring. Ginseng, often referred to as nature's Viagra, ginseng has been shown to improve erectile function and boost energy levels. It works by increasing nitric oxide levels, which enhance blood flow. L-arginine. This amino acid is a precursor to nitric oxide and can help improve blood flow to the penis, making it easier to achieve an erection. Maca root. Known as a natural aphrodisiac, maca root can boost libido and improve overall sexual function by balancing hormones. Horny goat weed. While it sounds funny, this herb has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to improve erectile function by increasing blood flow and boosting sexual desire. These herbs can be found in supplement form, or you can incorporate them into your diet through teas and powders. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Next up, let's discuss two often overlooked factors in men's health: sleep and hydration. Believe it or not, lack of sleep and dehydration can significantly affect your sexual performance. Sleep: your body produces testosterone while you sleep, especially during the REM phase. A lack of quality sleep can lower testosterone levels and increase your risk of erectile dysfunction. Hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for circulation. Dehydration can lead to poor blood flow, which is key to achieving an erection. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to support your overall health. It's amazing how something as simple as improving your sleep and staying hydrated can have such a profound effect on your sexual health. Lastly, let's talk about two habits that can seriously harm your sexual health: alcohol and smoking. While the occasional drink may not do much harm, heavy alcohol consumption can lead to long-term sexual dysfunction. Alcohol interferes with your nervous system and reduces the ability of blood vessels to dilate properly. On the other hand, smoking causes your blood vessels to narrow, making it harder for blood to flow to the penis. Quitting smoking can drastically improve your cardiovascular health, which in turn improves your ability to perform. So, if you've been struggling with erectile dysfunction, it might be time to cut back on alcohol and quit smoking altogether. Now for the bonus tip I promised. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve erectile dysfunction naturally is to practice deep breathing exercises. Deep, slow breaths can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps relax your blood vessels and improve circulation. Try this. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Doing this for just a few minutes a day can improve your sexual health and reduce performance anxiety. There you have it, the natural solutions to erectile dysfunction that can help you regain confidence and improve your health. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but making long-term changes that benefit your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Check out our next video on natural ways to boost testosterone levels, where we dive even deeper into optimizing your health.